Part 2. The ringing echoed through the hallway, slow, deliberate, like it knew I was listening. I froze. Every instinct told me not to move, not to breathe, not to make a sound. But the ringing didn't stop. Came again. Ding-dong. Closer this time. Not from the door. From somewhere deeper inside the house. My hands were shaking as I grabbed my phone. No signal. No Wi-Fi. Just a black screen reflecting my own terrified face. Then, ding-dong. The sound came from the hallway, right outside my bedroom. I don't remember deciding to move, but somehow, I was already at the door. My hand hovered over the handle. And then I noticed something that made my stomach drop. The light under my door was blocked. Something was standing there, completely still. On the other side, I tried to step back, but the floor creaked. Silence. Then a whisper. Soft. Right through the wood. "Why didn't you open the door?" My throat went dry. I couldn't answer. I couldn't even think. And then, ding-dong. This time, it came from inside my room. Right behind me. I turned slowly. My doorbell camera. Sitting on my desk. Blinking. Active. I don't remember bringing it inside. The screen flickered on by itself. And there I was, standing at my bedroom door. From the other side. Filmed, right now. The version of me on the screen smiled. But I wasn't smiling. Then the whisper came again. This time from behind me. Closer. "Now, will you open it?" Ding-dong.